morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your life skill class and today we will start lesson number 1, the broken pot. This is a story of a water bearer and its two pots. So students, go through the video and watch it carefully. This is your life skill period. Today we will start lesson number 1, that is the broken pot. Once a water bearer in India had two large pots. He hung each pot at the ends of a pole which he carried across his neck. A water bearer, a person who carries water, is known as water bearer. A water bearer who had two pots, and he used to hang each pot at the end of a pole which he carried across his neck. One of the pots had a crack in it. The other pot was perfect and carried the full portion of water up to the end of the long walk from the stream to the water bearer's house. The crack pot arrived only half full. The water bearer had two pots and one of the pot was cracked, and when he reached his home with the pot full of water, he get only 1.5 full of the pot because one of his pot was cracked, and on the way to his home it leaks of the water, so he get only 1.5 of water. For a full 2 years, this went on daily. The water bearer managed to carry only 1.5 pots full of water to his house, and this happened for 2 years. Daily he went to the stream and filled the pot full of water, but while he reached his home, he get only 1.5 pots of water. Of course, the perfect pot was proud. I am the best, it would often say, smirking at the cracked pot. And the perfect pot, which don't have any crack, he was proud of his perfection and he said that I am the best, and he smiled in a silly way to the cracked pot. Poor cracked pot grew more and more ashamed of its own imperfection. It felt miserable for being able to accomplish only half of what it had been made to do. And for this, the poor pot which had a crack, he was very much ashamed of his imperfection. When the man who or the water bearer who filled the pot with full of water, but the cracked pot only get half of the water when he reached the home, so he was very much ashamed of his imperfection. After 2 years of what the cracked pot considered to be a bitter failure, it spoke dejectedly to the water bearer one day. Sir, I am ashamed of myself and I want to apologize to you. After 2 years, the cracked pot considered himself to be a failure, and he spoke unhappily to the water bearer one day that I am ashamed of my failure or imperfection and I want to express regret to you. Why? Asked the bearer. The water bearer asked, why you are ashamed of your imperfection? For the past 2 years, I have been able to deliver only half of my load because this crack in my side causes water to leak out all the way back to your house. Due to my flaw, you have to do all of this work and still don't get full value from your effort, the pot said. The pot said that for the last 2 years, I am only deliver half of the water which you, when you fill full of water in the pot, you only get half of it because of the crack in my side which leaks the water on the way, and due to my defect you get only half of your effort. Whatever effort you are doing, whatever you are doing the full effort, but you are getting the half of its value, the pot said. The water bearer felt sorry for the old cracked pot and said, "Today, as we return to the house, I want you to notice the beautiful flowers along the path." On hearing this, the water bearer felt sorry for the old for the cracked pot, and he said, while returning back to his home, he said that you have to notice the I want you to notice the beautiful flowers which are grown along the path. Indeed, as they went up the hill, the old cracked pot took notice of the sun warming the beautiful wild flowers on the side of the path. This cheered it somewhat, but at the end of the trail, it still felt bad because it had leaked out half of its load, and so again it apologized to the bearer for its failure. And when they went up the hill, the old cracked pot saw sun warming the beautiful wildflower on the way or on the side of the path, and he cheered. This cheered him. This cheered the old pot or cracked pot, but again he felt bad because again he noticed that it had leaked out half of the water, and again he regret for being failure. The bearer said to the pot, "Did you notice that there were flowers only on your side of the path, but not on the side of the other pot?" The pot nodded that it had seen so. "That's because I have always known about your flaw, and I took advantage of it. I planted flower seeds on your side of the path, and every day while we returned from the stream, you watered them unknowingly." The water bearer said to the pot that, "Have you noticed the flower? Only the flowers which are grown are on the side on your side, but not on the other side of the pot, which was perfect." The pot nodded means it moved its head in affirmation, or the pot agreed that yes, it was, but that's because I have always known. The bearer said that I have always seen, or I have always known about your defect, and for that the defect was that the pot had a crack, and for that the water bearer took the advantage of it, and he had planted flower seed on the path or on the side of the path, and every day while returning from the stream, he watered the plant. The pot with a crack watered the plant unknowingly, and for 2 years I have been able to pick those beautiful flowers to decorate my little daughter's room. Without you being just the way you are, I would not have this beauty to grace my house," said the water bearer. And for 2 years, the water bearer was able to pick the water bearer was able to pick the flowers and which decorate his little daughter's room. And the water bearer said that without the help of cracked pot, it would not be able for him to decorate his house. So on hearing this, the cracked pot was no longer ashamed of itself, and after hearing what had happened, the cracked pot was now not ashamed of his fault or his defect. So students, go through the video and try to understand the story. And what you have to do, you have to draw this picture on the interleaf copy, on the blank side of your copy, and write the name of the chapter on the blank side of your page. Thank you.